Now let's get right into the video. How we're supposed to do this. So I just move my camera closer and extend this real quick. All right. Okay, so you have it. Is the sharp facing your way? So it's gonna be like this. And right. Here goes. Boom. Wait, what? Okay, hold on. I need to rewatch this. Sorry if the quality's a little bad. It's because I just switched over to my iPad because I have my phone right there. Now I can see what I have to do. So I'm sorry if the quality's bad once again. And so yeah, let's get right back into it. So we hold it like this, right? And then we like let it go, and then that's when and then we let it close again. Yo, I gotta rewatch this. Hold up. Okay, so I inspect it and then I drop it. Okay, so we grab onto this one, the one on your right. So we go boom, and then when it opens, we go like this, and then we close it. Okay, let's practice that. Oh, okay, so you like close it, and then it'll bounce back, and then okay, let's do this. So first we gotta master this part. We're just gonna do this. I have to master how it's a bounce back. Okay, so on the flick of the wrist. So you have it like this. You grab it by like right here, and then you like just start practicing this. Make sure it hits your hand like right here, and then it bounces back up. Just keep doing that over and over again, and then like you'll learn how to bounce it back. Now what you have to do is, let me see. Okay, bounce. Okay, so you have it like this. You do this again, and then you gotta pull it back, and then boom. That's gonna be hard. I have to open that too. It has to be smooth animation right there. Not like, okay, let me do that. Okay, and then boom. Like not like that, but like, okay, I got it. Okay, let's do this. Like a little pause, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, chat? So, like this, we grab onto the right one. See, boom. Wait, so, this is really hard, hold on. This is at the slowest, by the way. Hold on, that did not help. So you drop it, hits you, and then you turn it. Okay. So you have it like this. You drop it, it hits you, and then you turn it, and then you close it. Alright, let's do this. Attempt 1. Let's do this. Okay, I'm trying to do it with the regular speed on. Dude, okay. I gotta log in. I actually have to log in. So let's see. Okay. I got it mastered, hopefully. Alright. Hold on, so boom. 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 Right? Alright. Let's do this. So alright, hold on, ready? Attempt 1. This is Until I feel comfortable with it, I'll start from there. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. That was nothing, dude. I just moved it. All right. Actually, bro. I have to do this right. I have to do this right. Hold on. It's because my iPad. I'm just going for my iPad, so I just gotta keep turning these videos. All right. Ready. Boom. Oh my gosh, I did it. Oh my. I actually did it. Oh, okay. Someone like put it in slow-mo if you want. So put it in slow-mo if you want, bro. I did it. Put it in slow-mo if you want. I will do it again just to prove it. I think it's breaking. I think I might have made this hole way too big. Like compared to this one. Okay, hold on. That's crazy, chat. Oh my gosh. Alright. Alright, let's go. Okay, so I will be doing that again. So let me zoom out. Oh, I can't. Let me just scoot back then. Alright, ready? I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna do it all in one go this time, though. Bro, what did I do? Okay, that was attempt 2, I'm guessing. I'll just say that. It's because I have to do it like one try, so like I can't like, and then like do it. Okay. Right. Look at the wrist, turn. Gotta do like a light. Dude, like once I master it, I'm being unstoppable in the 1v1s. So. Let me just like test real quick. So you like grab it, you like let it go here, and then you spin, and then boom, just like that. Alright, yeah, that was bad. Alright, let's do this. So, the blue one's the right one. Wait, no, it's not. Oh, no, it is. Okay. Let's do this. So, grab it, and then boom, spin. But you have to put the thumb up, so, and like, when you do it, you have to like move the thumb out the way like hella fast. So when you put it in, it's hella smooth. I made this out of Amazon cardboard, by the way, guys. I don't know if that's the best cardboard. So let's do this. I'm just wasting time, dude. I'm stalling. What am I doing? Oh, attempt 3 right there. That's attempt 3. This is attempt 4. Okay, I'm just learning this real quick. So you're holding it. I guess something like this. Alright, just in the flick of the wrist. Oh! Dude, why can I not capture these on camera, bro? Why? Okay, I have it mastered. Let me record on my phone. Wait, hold on. Wait, no, I'm not gonna record on my phone. What am I saying? Dude, I'm just so struck. I actually did it. Oh my, I can't even talk, bro. What am I doing? I actually just did that. Oh my, I'm doing it again. time is it? I am doing it again, chat. I don't care. As long as I get it on video, I'm not stopping until I get it on video. This is hard, by the way. Dude, if I actually get this, I'm gonna pee myself, dude. That's actually mad crazy. Let's go. Okay, so you boom, and then boom. That's basically what you do. But the turn part is really important for this. That's how you put it away. Oh my gosh, dude. This is so hard. Alright, let's do this. No. That was attempt 5. Attempt 5, yeah. Dude, I took too long of a spin. I went boom, and then I literally took my sweet precious time there. Let's do this. Alright. Let me move the camera over here, bro. I don't trust myself anymore.
Why you be rapping if you so irrelevant? Wait till your genitals go through development. I hate a skeleton, turn into gelatin, make a spirit fly, piling up pelicans. Fuck a human being, I'm a melanin, doesn't make a nigga more so malevolent. You know I tell him it, animal delicate, stealing and burning and kill for the hell of it. All of these rappers is funny and evident, all of them fucking with you for the benefit. Do I be fucking with
My favorite number 3. 3 times 2. What's 3 times 2? That's 6. Oh my gosh, let's go. I'm dropping bars, bro. I'm dropping bars before GTA 6. Now I gotta learn how to put it away. This is literally gonna be, I think, hopefully easier. So you grab the same part, literally do the same thing you just did, but like reverse. So you boom, and then you spin, and then you boom. See, well, that has to be easy. Okay. This literally can happen right now on the first attempt. I know how to do it already. I literally know how to do it already. Let's do this. Love you, Taka. What I say, bro? It's always a like. It's always a like. Alright, let's go. So we inspect once again. Yeah, we literally just do the same thing. Let's go. Oh my gosh. This is too easy, bro. But the only bad part about that, once again, I took too long on that turn. And second of all, I don't think I got that on camera. So, oh my gosh, it could have been first try. Alright, my favorite number is 3. I did that in 2 attempts. 3 times 2 is 6. I'm too good, bro. Oh my gosh. This only took like about 12 minutes. Plus a 53-second intro. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. I actually did that. If you guys want to see more tricks, I will be posting a short on this. Maybe a community post. Who knows? But I will be, just drop a comment. Oh my gosh, dude. Just drop a comment. I'll do whatever trick you want me to do. Just not Godspeed. I cannot do that. So yeah, just comment whatever you want me, and what next trick you want me to do with the butterfly knife. And next video will be the karambit knife. I'm pretty sure I already mentioned that at the start. And the part I will be doing of the karambit, since the inspection is literally only this, we're gonna be doing when you switch your gun and then like you bring up the karambit. I want to do this one more time, just to like put it away for like the video. So I'll take too long on this on the freaking turn there. I'm not doing it. I'm doing this until I make that outro. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you want. And I'll see you guys next time.